Sometimes questions give you numbers, but you don't actually have to do any calculations to answer the question. This short question here is a classic example of that. A project network has a total of 4 paths running through it. These 4 paths vary in length from a minimum of 4 days long to a maximum of 18 days long. How long will this project take to complete? Now, first off, I recommend, if it's not intuitive yet, to sketch a picture. What this is saying is that there's some project. I just drew the starting and the ending nodes, and it's not telling us anything about the tasks, but it is telling us that there are 4 complete and distinct routes when you're looking at the network from the start to the end. And when you add up the tasks that we can't see here, right, the shortest one, the shortest path, adds up to 4 days, and the longest one adds up to 18 days. Now it's asking about the project's overall length. How long will the project take to complete? To answer this question, we need to remember a very important principle from critical path analysis. The length of the project is equal to the length of the longest path. Longest path length equals project's length, because that particular path is the critical path. That is the path that is causing the project to be that length. Oh, all right, so for this particular question, what's the length of this project? They provided it right there, the maximum of 18 days long. That's the length of the project. 18 days.